I mean, tonight, I'm going to be pulling so many Hogans with this money. You have no idea. Dude, I'm going to have purple Hogans and blue Hogans and orange Hogans and red Hogans and polka dot striped, zebra stripe Hogans with this money. Come on. $100.
Hello, and welcome to James, the Lesser Express Lane, where we get you in and out as fast as possible with... I'm going to formally apologize to Subway. You did nothing wrong. You did everything correct. This is not your fault. What do you mean, James? It's just a post about them doing buy one get one free deal. Yeah, on Twitter. Man, take me to Subway now. I want to buy one get one deal.
This is cringe. Shut the fuck up and eat it. Eat it. Give me your mailing address. I want to mail you a spoon so you can eat shit out of my fucking ass.
Happy mom, wife, happy life, right? No, both subs are not going to hurt you, mouth-drilling moron. I was so hungry I can empty the whole trough. Oink, oink. God, what an image. Somebody asked me today if my wife and son are more important than Subway. I answered, of course my family is more important than Subway, idiot. But the joke's on them. I lied. One thing we don't have ourselves. Let's get some subs. Like I said, Subway, I am so sorry. I am so sorry. Let's say I'm at a sandwich shop. There's a buy one get one deal. My mom wife isn't home from her dead-end retail job. NDO dropped a huge member bomb. We hit the goal and locked in a marathon. Bless you, Subway, social media intern, for putting up with all these pictures of a disgusting man-child. What a face. Name a face a mother could love. Me checking to see if I hit the goal so I can DoorDash this bad boy. There's enough in the coffers for me to my bestie to get a sub. Me when a new Subway tweet drops. $1 for extra foot long. It's just Detractor bullshit over and over and over. Until finally you get to the normies. You finally get to the normies. Just go right back to DSP. Okay, let me quickly get dressed in my finest shirt before I leave for the nearest Subway. I had to get a job because you guys don't want to support me. I'm serious. I need to pay my bills. The Dilly Rap app. Now, guys, give me money. Pay me $1,500 to eat at Subway. 11 a.m. Are you crazy? I wake up at 10 a.m. ready for a hard day of work. I imagine this guy's my bestie. Terrible dark side. Once again, Subway, I apologize. I apologize so much. That intern has got to be... What the fuck is going on? Who the hell is this guy? Why do these people keep posting him in our comment section? Why? What did I do? I need a raise after this. Whoa, you say what? Indubitably, my good fellow, you have my full concurrence. Bubbles! Almost forgot about the bubbles. How are you assholes gonna post so many DSP gifs and pictures? Hey Subway, biggest detractor, Darkside Phil needs some PayPal donations after he dropped over $300 on a new steering wheel and pedal set for his truck simulator streams. Please tip. Yes, that's very nice. Do man pigs dream of Subway deals? Oh hey, back to normies. Oh, yay, pig roach. Normies can only go on for so long before the pig roach appears again. Does the code work through DoorDash? Asking for a friend. Robust and tangy Subway deal? Count me in, snort. I swear we're almost at the end. I swear we are almost... God, that's an image. We are almost at the end. I am tired of Earth, these people. I am tired of being caught in the tangle of their lives. I'll get one of these. Someone said deal? So yes. The poor Subway interns got to deal with us Detractor assholes. I'm so sorry, man. I am so sorry. With that thought, I'm gonna let you go. Thank you for watching. As always, like, subscribe, comment down below, and have one hell of a day.